Hello guys, welcome back to Automaz channel. Honda has officially unveiled the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom, and it's nothing short of a stunning revival of one of the most iconic cruiser motorcycles in its class. This bike blends retro muscle with modern refinement, staying true to its Phantom identity while packing upgrades that matter. For riders who crave that deep, rumbling V-twin sound and a blacked-out custom look, the Shadow Phantom delivers, and then some. The 2025 Shadow Phantom stays loyal to its heritage with a low-slung, minimalist cruiser profile, but now features sleeker blacked-out components, a redesigned front fork, and refreshed LED lighting. The matte and gloss black finishes across the body give it an aggressive, stealthy vibe. Even the fenders and tank flow better into the frame, offering a more streamlined and muscular silhouette that stands out without trying too hard. Under the hood, or rather, under the tank, lies the tried-and-true 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, known for its smooth power delivery and deep, throaty growl. It's paired with a 5-speed transmission and shaft drive system for minimal maintenance and optimal cruising comfort. Whether you're riding through city streets or stretching out on the highway, the Shadow Phantom's torque-rich character makes every twist of the throttle feel satisfying and controlled. Honda has improved the suspension setup for 2025, giving the Shadow Phantom a more responsive and comfortable ride. The front telescopic fork and dual rear shocks are tuned for better damping, providing balance whether you're riding solo or with a passenger. Its low 25.8-inch seat height and wide handlebars create an easy, confident ride position, even for beginners. This bike isn't just about looks, it's about comfort and control in real-world riding conditions. Though it's a classic cruiser, the 2025 Shadow Phantom doesn't skip on tech. You'll find LED headlight and taillight, a minimalist instrument panel, and modern fuel injection that ensures cold start reliability and better fuel economy. There's also a new ABS system for added safety, making this bike not only stylish but smarter than ever before. Honda proves that you don't need flashy gadgets to make a meaningful impact, just the right ones. Honda knows its audience, and they've priced the 2025 Shadow Phantom accordingly. The starting MSRP in the United States is around $8,399, making it one of the most affordable mid-size cruisers on the market today. When you compare the build quality, reliability, and street appeal, this price point makes it a steal for new riders and seasoned cruiser fans alike. It hits that sweet spot between custom looks and everyday usability, without breaking the bank. The new 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom is built for riders who want something bold, dependable, and timeless. Whether you're a weekend cruiser, a daily commuter, or someone returning to riding after a break, this bike checks all the right boxes. With its blend of retro styling, modern upgrades, and accessible price, the Phantom is not just back, it's better than ever. If you're in the market for a no-nonsense cruiser with soul, this one deserves a serious look.